Today Rob came over, our son-in-law, and he helped bring down the rest of the dirt, which filled in the rest of row 3. There were a couple of buckets left over of dirt, and I will use those for fill when I start on this wall. It's supposed to be in the 90s for the next couple of days, so it's not likely we'll get too much done. Also, we filled in down below here on the first row where the rain really sunk down the dirt. Hopefully tomorrow the new blocks and toppers will come in, and that's probably what I will do tomorrow, is put the toppers on this bottom row of blocks. And there is a lot of little cosmetic things that need to be done, like for instance the corner down here. I need to get a block in there, but that's going to require some neat cutting, and then the toppers will need to be cut to fit. We're coming along. I also need to cut this topper at the end of the wall to fit. No big deal. But our next hard job is going to be putting the wall in at the end of this part. My plan is to use some of the nicer rocks up here rather than putting in the blocks. Putting it over here, nobody is going to see the wall or that they are not nice blocks, and at this point we really don't care. Also, notice that all the rocks are gone from down here. The last little bit was taken up this morning and put in row 3. I just need to rake up the crumbs that are here, and we're good to go there. So we're quite happy with the way things are coming now. And this is where I will be putting in the end wall. To hide all this mess. In this pile of rock that's left, We do have some nice building blocks or building rocks. For instance, this one. And we got one there, nice and flat. And a few others that will do nicely. And I have a nice pile that I've collected here. And the rest of it will all go down to the back wall here to be used as fill, which you can see I need a lot of fill.
Please take a second to comment, subscribe, ring the bell to get notices of new videos, and please give a thumbs up.